Hello and welcome to MetaTrade. It's 7 on September. Don't forget subscribing, liking and tapping on bell to get notification for every new video on this channel. Okay, let's see what's going on in crypto. As you see, what I had told you in last video happened and BTC has left this channel. We had between 19,500 and 21,000 about downside. But how much deep can this crash be? We can use the charts have a correlation with Bitcoin. One of these charts is USDT dominance chart. USDT is one of the most popular stablecoin. When people wanna get out of Bitcoin market or other coins, they swap their coins to a stablecoin because its price is stable. So we have cross correlation between BTC and USDT dominance. Now let's take a look at USDT dominance chart. As you see, we have three resistance regions that USDT dominance can react to. On 30 June, when USDT dominance was on 8%, BTC was on 18,750, and on 18 June, when USDT dominance was on 9.5%, Bitcoin was on 17,650. So on BTC chart, 17,700 to 18,700 can be a support. Even if we take a look at BTC chart on 2017, we can see this region had been a resistance. So I think BTC can react to 17,700 to 18,700. And in the worst scenario, we can lose this support and come down to the next support region between 14,000 to 16,000. That I personally think we cannot lose this support, and these can be the last stations for this bear market. Of course, this is just analyzing. I hope this will be true. On BTC dominance, as you know, we have merge updates in Ethereum soon. That's why people are buying Ethereum, because if this update will be successful, Ethereum will be bullish. This is why BTC dominance is coming down. But about Ethereum, please be careful, because if merge update face a slight error, Ethereum will crash. Another important update in crypto is Wasil update on Cardano on 22 September, which can make Cardano bullish. So keep an eye on Cardano. By the way, tomorrow we will have an important news in United States. If we get signals for more inflation or interest rates, it can make crypto market bearish too. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice time.